Ever wondered if you can turn those TikTok shop earnings into more amazing finds? Absolutely. Let's dive into how you can use your TikTok shop balance to snag those must-have items. First things first, open your TikTok app and navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, look for and tap on Settings and Privacy. It's usually found by tapping the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Inside Settings, you'll find an option labeled Balance. Tap on that to access your TikTok shop balance information. Here, you'll see your current balance. This is where your earnings or credits are stored, ready to be used for shopping. Now, to use this balance for purchasing, you'll typically do it directly during checkout. Browse your favorite TikTok shop products as you normally would. When you find something you love and decide to buy, tap the Buy Now button. On the checkout page, you'll see various payment methods. Look for an option that says TikTok shop balance or something similar, and make sure it's selected. If your balance is sufficient to cover the entire order, it will automatically deduct the cost. If your balance is less than the total, you'll simply pay the remaining amount through your other selected payment method. And just like that, you've successfully used your TikTok shop balance to buy products. It's a fantastic way to reinvest your earnings into discovering more amazing items right here on the platform. Happy shopping!